Hi, welcome to a new lesson in English grammar. This video is about possessive adjectives. Plus, we will say exercises for practice as we usually do. We already saw in the first lesson of grammar the subject's personal pronouns. So, we already saw that I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Okay? Now we will see the possessive adjectives. So when do we use possessive adjectives? We use possessive adjectives to talk about something we own, okay? Something that belongs to us. For example, I am Joan. My friend is Michael. So I am Joan. My friend is Michael. You have a phone, okay? A phone. Its color is gold. Okay, so color. Okay, its color. This it's referred to phone, okay? Its color. Okay, we see here the, for example, if I say I have a car, this means my car, okay? It's like I said, my car. You have a car, so it's your car. He goes, of course, with boys or men. His car. She has a car means it's her car. It, of course, the animals or things doesn't have a car, so it has a ball, so it's ball. For example, the food, the cat's food, it's food, okay? It's food. We have a car, so it's our car. You have a car, so it's your car. And this is, of course, you for the plural, and this for singular. They have a car and their car. Now, please pay attention to the following note. We use it for animals or things. We use they for people, animals, or things. Of course, as we said before, this it refers to animals or things. We can say the cat, dog, etc. But they refers both to the animals and people, and of course things. And if we have one cat, just one cat or one dog, it. If we have more than one, if we have, for example, 2 cats or 2 dogs or 2 phones or 2 laptops, for example, it's they, okay? We refer they, not it. Okay, so it's for the singular, and they, we can use it for the plural of animals, peoples, and things. Also, pay attention here. This it's and the following it's sound the same, but it's possessive adjective. For example, if we say it's car, so it's not a car, actually it's ball, okay? As long as the animals doesn't have the animals don't have the car, so we say it's a ball, for example. But it's refer to it is, the verb to be, okay? It is. This is without the apostrophe, and this is with apostrophe. It apostrophe s refer to it is. Also, we have here your and this your, okay? They are pronounced the same. Your, but your, is possessive adjective, and this your with apostrophe re means you are. Okay, it is the short form of you are. This is the short form of it is, and this is the short form of you are. And also, always remember that subject pronoun plus verb. Okay, so subject pronoun, okay, goes with the verb, and the possessive adjective goes with noun. So we say, for example, I am, I have, I eat. Okay, she has, she is. Okay, a verb. Possessive adjective plus noun. For example, noun car, my phone, my bowl, my laptop, etc. Okay, so it goes with noun. Now let's move to do some exercises for practice. The first exercise is about matching the sentences. We have here 6 sentences. I am Tony, you are Australian, he is Alan, she is 12, it's my book, Paul and Mary are British. We have here 6 sentences. Also, they contain the possessive adjectives. So their teacher, its color, his friend, your friend, my friend, her name. So match the sentences, okay, together. And the second exercise is about completing the gaps with the correct subject pronouns or possessive adjective. So either you will put I, okay, yes, subject pronoun. Either you will put I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, or you will put my, your, his, her, its, our, your, and their. Okay, Jolie and I are friends. Home is in London. Okay, Jolie and I are friends. Jolie's home is in London. So, okay, this is Mario and Lynn. Her friend is Rosa. We are Greek. Are Greek too. This is Tom. Is from Canada. So we have here noun, 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 and here we have verb. Also here we have verb. Jane is from the UK. Is 10 years old. So subject pronoun or possessive adjective here. Okay, you will tell me. Okay, so now I want you to do the exercise and leave your answers in the comments. Okay, so this was our lesson of possessive adjective. I hope you understand it well. So until I see you in the next video, bye bye.